Today we are here at the Yarra Valley Zonzo Estate's brand new production facility. We had this project fully installed and commissioned in time for their vintage in 2020.
At Zonzo Estate we grow Chardonnay and Pinot, which the Yarra Valley is famous for. We also have Cabernet and Shiraz. We've just built our new winery facility in Lilydale, which is about 20 minutes from the vineyard. In the winery facility, we've chosen to use George Fisher piping and Cool Fit 4, which is going to serve us well for a long time to come. We're looking already at expansion of that site, so it is easily adaptable, which is another reason why we chose to use George Fisher.
I think one of the real benefits of the Cool Fit product is that it's low maintenance. We're really busy during vintage. We really don't have time to overcome sort of inferior fittings and loss of cooling efficiency. So we installed Cool Fit, and last year it performed amazingly.
Well, the brief of the client was to not only provide a traditional cooling circuit where we're looking after tank management, we're looking after fermentation control, but it's a very large area, and the client also wanted us to install a system for large room acclimatisation at different temperatures, barrel room storage, etc. For that we also provided a heat recovery circuit, so we had to install an additional circuit to run it at different temperatures. So we could be cooling the tanks at one temperature and having room acclimatisation at a different temperature. So we utilised both Cool Fit 4 and Cool Fit 2. Cool Fit 4 circuit will be running below zero to feed the tanks, the fermenters, etc. But then we could utilise Cool Fit 2 to be fed with above 0 degrees and to be feeding the 8 fans across the different rooms to give even room acclimatisation for both functions as well as overall comforts.
Some of the main benefits for the Zonzo Estate, for Caroline, the winemaker, and Rod, the owner of the winery, is the fact that this system is 100% maintenance-free and a corrosion-free system. So they're not going to have any instances where they might have a loss of glycol during the production process. They can keep going all throughout during that process. And they are expecting a bigger harvest in 2021. So this system will fully meet its capacities moving forward. So we're very excited to see how Zonzo is going to go in their next harvest. And we will be with them every step of the way. And we're hoping to grow with the winery as we go along.